Today, we'll explore all the pro plugins you can install for free during the WordPress setup through Softaculous. SoftWP Pro includes AI, assistant, and onboarding features. Backuply lets you back up your site to both local and remote locations. SpeedyCache makes your pages load faster, improving user experience. SiteSEO boosts your website's search ranking. Loginizer protects your website from unauthorized access and malware. PageLayer is an easy-to-use page builder that lets you create and design your website quickly. GoSTMP Pro improves the delivery of your outgoing emails using the SMTP mailer. FileOrganizer comes with an easy drag-and-drop file manager for your WordPress files. Once you choose the plugins, proceed with installing WordPress. Once the installation is complete, go to the Admin panel. Navigate to the Plugins tab to access all the plugins and manage their updates.